Hello, this is Christian with Topline Roofing. Today we're here at 24 Peacock Lane, Willingboro, New Jersey. I'm about to do a attempt repair for Mr. Irmer Ariola. Let's see how it goes. So I was able to remove the first piece. I'm gonna replace it with a brand new piece. But before I do that, I wanna show you that there's a first layer underneath. So you can see the white color roof. That's the first layer that they installed, and this is the second layer that's on top of it. You can see I just finished installing the first the layer that was the piece that I was replacing. I took the old one off. I installed a brand new piece, but this roof is too old to repair it. We can see some creases on the top. You see over there, they got crease there because the roof is too old to repair it. So we can see right there the crease going across, also on this side, and some of these. So you see how that little piece is broken over there. So yeah, this roof is not repairable.